How to fix cellular data not working on iPhone in 5 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll show you several quick fixes you can try to get your mobile data working again. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap Cellular or Mobile Data, depending on your iOS version. Make sure cellular data is turned on. If it's already enabled, turn it off. Wait a few seconds and turn it back on. Next, check airplane mode. Open Control Center and turn on airplane mode. Wait about 10 seconds, then turn it off again. This can help reconnect your iPhone to the mobile network. If cellular data still isn't working, check whether your apps are allowed to use mobile data. Go back to Settings, tap Cellular or Mobile Data, then scroll down and make sure the toggle is enabled for the apps you're trying to use. Next, check your network connection. Make sure you have a cellular signal and that your SIM or eSIM is active. If you see no service or SOS, the problem may be related to your carrier or network coverage. You can also restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and either volume button, then slide to power off. Wait a few seconds, turn your iPhone back on, and test cellular data again. If the problem continues, you can reset your network settings. Go to Settings, tap General, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode if prompted, then confirm the reset. Keep in mind that this will remove saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords, along with other network settings. Finally, check for a carrier or iOS update by going to Settings again, tap on General, then tap on Software Update. Install any available update and test your cellular data again. And that's it. These steps should help fix cellular data not working on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials.